Did you know about these AI tools? My90stv.com is a website that allows you to watch classic 1990s television shows, music videos, and commercials, and it is completely free to use. wolframalpha.com is a computational knowledge engine that answers your questions in natural language related to subjects like math, science, geography, history, and current events. 12fit.io. It is a website that allows you to bypass paywalls on news websites. It works by pretending to be a search engine crawler, which allows you to access the full content of the article without having to pay or subscribe. Supercook.com is a website and app that helps you find recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand. IT has a database of over 11 million recipes from 18,000 recipe websites in 20 languages. tinywow.com is a website that offers a variety of free online tools, including PDF tools, image tools, and AI writing tools. Follow us for more AI-related information.